My coat, but the train doors had already shut behind me, and I was in for the ride. Next stop, Roscoe Street Station, and Alex. The station was drenched in gloom. Alex was a ghost, nowhere to be seen. I'd have to look for him.
Wasn't Jake supposed to take care of this?
He and Mickey are having too much fun taking care of the cop up there. Oh, what's the plan?
Simple. Gun down every mother-loving bastard that gets off the train.
Sweet. Didn't the train go already?
No idea. Let's just wait and see. Yo!
He and...
Hey,
taking care of the cop up there. Oh, what's the plan?
Simple. Gun down every mother-loving bastard that gets off the train.
Sweet. Didn't the train go already?
No idea. Let's just wait and see.
He's dead, all right.
Hey, it's me you're talking to. Wasn't Jake supposed to take care of this?
Hey,
What the?
Timing. Oh, I see. Oh. Dun 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 dun. It's very dark over here. Oh no. Oh God. Oh. Ba-dum bum bum bum.